Using Turning Point software, setting the correct answer. Do not open the existing PowerPoint presentation before opening Turning Point. Locate the Turning Point icon on the desktop, double-click. The Turning Point dashboard will open up. Select PowerPoint Polling. Turning Point will open a new PowerPoint presentation with the Turning Point add-in enabled. Let's maximize this window and select the Turning Point tab from the menu. Open an existing interactive PowerPoint presentation. Interactive means that you have already inserted Turning Point slides. In Office 2007, click the Office icon located in the upper left-hand corner of the window and select Open. Browse to the location of the presentation. In this instance, my presentation is on my flash drive. In Office 2010, click the File tab, select Open, click Browse, locate your presentation, and click the Open button located in the lower right-hand corner of the window. Navigate to the interactive slide in the presentation where you want to set the correct answer. Setting the correct answer. Locate the Slide Preference toolbar. Since the toolbar is floating, it can be moved and placed anywhere within the window. I'm moving mine up here and out of the way into the side. If it is collapsed as it is in this image, click the arrow to view the options. The arrow is now pointing in the opposite direction. If you can't see all the options and you have to scroll, you could grab the bottom of the window until it becomes a two-headed arrow. Click, hold it down, and drag. Now all the options are visible. This slide preference toolbar options will change depending on what is selected. Currently, nothing is selected, so these are the slide preferences. If I were to select the chart, the slide preferences would change to the chart preferences. Notice the three answers, A, B, and C. In this case, C is our correct answer. So we set it to correct. The color becomes green, indicating that it is correct, and the other two are incorrect. Now let's set a correct answer indicator. Locate the Objects button on the Turning Point ribbon. Select the correct answer indicator. In this example, I will select a smiley face. The smiley face is defaulted and automatically appears next to the correct answer, which is 42 inches. Let's reset our slide. If you don't want the smiley face to appear next to the 42 inches, you can move it to the chart so that it will appear below the correct answer. Let's move it back here again. If we go into slideshow using this icon down here in the corner, you can see that polling is open. Nothing is showing, not my chart and not my indicator. Hitting the Enter key on the keyboard will close polling. Now my chart is shown. If there had actually been responses, we would have seen how many people chose which answer. Hitting the Enter key again brings up my smiley face, so the students now know what the correct answer is. Let's get out of the slideshow. If you are finished creating your answer and you wish to save, don't forget to do File and Save As. This is in Office 2007. We select the Office icon and click Save As. We navigate to where the PowerPoint presentation lives, and we save, and we say yes to replace it. If we don't want to replace it, you want to put something at the end that's different so that the original is kept intact. In this instance, I'm going to say yes and replace it. If you're using PowerPoint 2010, you want to select the File tab, click Save As, browse to where you want to save the presentation, either rename the file so that you preserve the original, or say yes when you click Save to save over.